Can you float your bubble hand and put your thumb on a G? And then what do you think you'll use to play the red chord? Can you just use your 1, 3, 5 on G, B, D? And the red chord is G, B, D. You got it. Now go ahead and stretch your 1, 3, and 5 to play the blue chord. What do you think? Do you have to worry about any magic keys on the blue chord when we're in G major? No. Can you play your 1, 3, 5 on the blue? Nice. Come back to the red for me. Nice and easy, 1, 3, 5 on G, B, D. Now go ahead and stretch your thumb and add your 2 to play the yellow. Wait a minute, that doesn't sound right. That yellow sounds yucky. What do you think is wrong with our yellow chord? I'm definitely playing the right fingers. Let's take a look at what letters we're playing on our yellow chord. What's the bottom note? F. What? F? We already said in G major there can't be any regular Fs. It has to be an F sharp. Can you make your thumb slide up? Now play your 1, 2, 5. Now that yellow is yummy. Ooh, I love how it sounds. There's our yellow chord. Can we play another one of those just so we really feel the fingers? The 1, 2, 5. And then that F sharp is a T, which leads to bring the thumb to Do on G. Oh, I love it. Let's do that quickly in our left hand so our left hand knows how to play our G major chords. Put your 5 finger on the G so that you can play Do, Mi, So, G, B, D. You got it. Go ahead and stretch up for your blue chord the way you always have. You don't have to worry about the magic key on the blue chord. Come back to the red chord. We need to have the F sharp. So our 5 finger, we're going to slide up. So we have our 5, 3, 1. Oh, there's our yellow. Ooh, a yummy yellow. The F sharp is a T, which leads to, can you come back to Do on G? I love it. That's going to be so much fun. When you are playing those yummy yellows, make sure that you don't twist your chicken elbows to get there. Slide up so you can have nice big bubbles still in your hands to get to those F sharps, and then slide back for the red chord. Oh, that's so fun. You are going to love playing in G major, and you're really going to love that new magic key of F sharp.